Hi guys, Parrot Playz here. Welcome to another episode in Roblox and Piggy. Oh, I see it. Yup. Three seconds later. Oh, what? What? What, dudes? What? Dudes, that's cheating. How did you? Oh my. This is gonna be in the highlights. Dudes, how did that? Oh my. Ridiculousness. How did the? Oh my. I am so confused right now. How did that teacher's skin juice? Oh, get out of here. Losing my mind. Dudes. That is crazy. No way. No way. Oh, that was just weird. How? Alright. Dude, how did that just get out of here? That is cheating! Oh my ridiculousness! Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.